Intellectual data technology starts from me. I can go where there's electricity. I am capable of doing marvelous things there. Who am I? I am a visionary predicting possible failures, accidents and abnormalities in motors of facilities. I'm an energy watcher, improving productivity and saving energy by predicting failures and overcurrent of an entire facility. Reducing any downtime caused by breakdowns of machine and system is also one of my responsibilities. I have an ability to lower the risks of any possible failures. What's most rewarding is that I can save people's lives and assets from fire, accidents, and breakdowns. Technology that predicts future through current, like we humans examine our body through blood. I am a competent analyzer, collecting quality data at the fastest speed with its algorithm and profoundly analyzing hidden data. What I dream of is to make the world smarter and to make it move organically in a safest environment where technology analyzes the status and efficiency of the entire plant. I am the new partner of industrial facility. I'm all over the world in China, Mexico, Russia, India, and Turkey. 44 places in 6 different countries. Who am I presenting these cutting-edge capabilities? I am the world's first and best current predictive solution, UYeG.